Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to allow audio through USB Type-C on Android. So let's start. Well, here will depend on what kind of phone you have on Android. So in this case, my phone, doesn't have this option. But if you have it, well, you can find on phone or just write USB on your search bar here on settings, and then just click here and just go to developer options and just select USB settings. Just scroll down and you have to select the choose audio source. In this case, you press the audio source and select the audio from the list options. As I told you, well, my phone doesn't have this option, but if you have it, just click there and you can fix with any problem that audio, or if you want to select another one, you can do it without any problem. So well guys, I hope this information helps you. If you need more help, please write on the comments and subscribe to our channel.